Let's look at this question. Traveling a distance of 105 kilometers in 6 hours 5 minutes, a car takes 4 halts and travels with 5 different speeds S1, S2, S3, S4, S5 all in kilometer per hour for 1 hour each. Okay. S5 is 15 more than square of S1. So we have information regarding the 5 speeds. Let me record it. S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. So S5 is 15 more than square of S1. So if I take this as X, this is X square plus 15. S3 is half of S5. So S3 is X square plus 15 by 2. Okay. S4 is twice the sum of S1 and S2. I don't know that. S2 is half of S3. This I can do. X square plus 15 by 4. Okay. What sort of number am I dealing with here? 9 plus 15 gives me 24. Okay. So x equal to 3, hopefully not. Then what do I do? S4 is twice the sum of S1 and S2. Twice the sum. So 2 times of x plus x square plus 15 by 2. 2 times of this. These are the 4 speeds with speed of the first r is x. And we have been told each of these distances have been traveled for exactly 1 hour, for 1 hour each, to cover a distance of 105. So summation of all these terms should be to 105. Let's solve for x. How first I would have to get the denominators 4 everywhere. So 4x plus x square plus 15 plus 2x square plus 30 plus 8x plus 2x square plus 30 plus 4x square plus 16 is equal to 420. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 2, 4. So 9x square plus 4, 8, that's it, plus 12x. Yes, that is it. Now the constant quotients 15 and 30 and 30 and 60. So 135 in total on this side, 420 on this side. So first let's deduct 120. So 120 deduct, I get 285 minus 85 is equal to 0. Okay, that's that. What can I do? Can I divide this by 3? Yes. 3x square plus 4x minus 300 minus 5, so 95. 95 is equal to 0. So 3 into 95 is as good as 15 into 19. I can break it up. Okay. 3x square plus 19x minus 15x minus 95 is equal to 0. Oh, sorry, x common, 3x plus 19 minus 5 common, x 3x plus 19. Basically x is equal to 5. If x is equal to 5, s5 is equal to 40. s5 is equal to 40, x square plus 15. So the total time taken would be 105 by 40, which will be equal to 2.5, something more than that. Among the available options, it will be option C.